there's a sight to see. A little kitten, as cute as can be, wearing a chef's hat, white as snow, ready for the cooking show. Let's go! Kitten, kitten, what will you make? Stir in the pot with paws that shake. Taste and see with a meow so sweet. Cooking up a kitty treat. On the counter, ingredients line. Kitty chef adds a dash of thyme with a spoon, gives the stew a whirl, has a tap and tail and a twirl. Kitten, kitten, what will you bake? Mixing flour for a tasty cake. Taste and see with the purr so neat. Cooking up a kitty feast. Oh, little chef with purr so loud, you make Mama Cat so proud. Fancy feast in every bite, cooking up delight tonight. Try a nibble and nod with glee. A culinary kitty masterpiece with a smile and a final bow says thank you for joining my show. Kitten, kitten, stories to tell. With every dish you cast a spell. Taste and see with a tummy treat. You've cooked up a day complete. Cooking kitten chef so dear.